Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Twitch. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings and you will click here. Then in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings, and you will enter. Then in this page you will scrolling down until you find the application of Twitch. As you see here, you will find it, then you will click on it like this. Here in this page of app info, you will go to permissions. You will check here if all these permissions are allowed, especially the permission of notifications. In the first, you will find it like this, turn off, but you will click here in this sign to turn on this notification permissions. After that, you will return here on this page of app info. Then you will go to force stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to this page of storage and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Twitch and you will click here. Then you can update your app if you find update here in this blue sign. But if all these steps not working with you, then you should uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.